Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete TikTok Shop Seller Center account. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for seller.tiktok.com. After that, you will be prompted to sign into your account. Simply sign in, and this type of web page will be displayed. Now, in order to delete your account, you just need to access the support center. For that, click on the support icon at the top right corner and a new tab will open up. Inside the support page, you just need to type in delete account. Once done, the chatbot will provide some instructions that you can follow to delete your account. But before that, there are some requirements that you will need to fulfill in order to be able to delete the account. Make sure to read the instructions thoroughly and get to the main process. First, you just need to access My Account and then open the account settings. Inside it, click on the Close Shop Account feature and then complete the procedure to delete your account. So that's basically how you can delete TikTok Shop Seller Center account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.